Hey, hi, what's your name?
Okay, so myself Vicky Yadav.
Okay, and what do you study?
Okay, right now I'm pursuing MBA.
Okay, and which specialization you are doing in MBA?
My MBA is MBA in general.
What's the exam which someone should appear for in get to get the IIM Mumbai
Okay, so the exam is CAT exam.
CAT? Okay, and what was your score there?
My score was 97.32 percentile.
Okay, what was your educational background here before
Okay,
this?
so before coming here, I did graduation in BSc Agriculture, and that's something unique here.
You are fresher or you have any experience before?
Okay, so actually I was a fresher, and I just did 6 months internship in Reliance Industries before coming
Okay,
here.
which company comes mostly for the placement here?
Okay, so here mostly from every sector like FMCG sector, consulting, and the finance sector.
Hmm.
Every company's big firms are come here. Like for example, for the FMCG, Titan, ITC is there. Then consulting, Big Four, Deloitte, EY, everyone is there.
Okay. Which skill one MBA student must have according to you?
Okay, so one skill should be like communication skill is definitely they must need
Hmm.
before coming to MBA, and even after MBA, it's something must need.
Okay. What's the average package the students get here in the IIM?
Okay, so based on the previous year reports, it's almost 28 to 29 lakh per annum here.
Okay. What was the struggle in the first year which nobody talks about for every MBA students?
Okay, I think there's nothing like unique, but it's like everyone know that the first term is hectic, and after that it's pretty chill. So yeah, but anything like nothing like unique. Everyone
Okay.
know about that.
Okay. One word for IIM Mumbai.
It will be difficult, but it will be like green heaven, as you can also see in the background here.